My name is Margaret Shireen, and I am a volunteer member with the Assistance League of Los Angeles, and I'm one of the co-chairs of what we call the Wheels service. We bring this huge semi-trailer out to the schools in Los Angeles Unified School District, and on an average day we'll serve about 275 children, and it's wonderful because it's so desperately needed. And the children, when they come in, they're a little shy and maybe kind of afraid because they don't know what's going on, but by the time they leave we have big smiles and we get hugs. The kids are just so excited and so happy with what we've been able to provide them. How are you? My name is Lisa.
What's your name?
We're going to start here.
My favorite part of the day is getting clothes. Like, I got sweats, which are my favorite type of pants. My favorite part of the day today is when we're right here, like when we were over there, like picking out new shoes and stuff. I got these like pink shoes. They're like really cool, and I just love them.
Today is our very exciting Wheels Day. So kids come from the school that we're at, Harrison, but they also come from all around Los Angeles County, and they can come and they choose shoes and books and toys, hoodies and clothes. We have lots of clothes on our trailer behind us, and they get to take them all home with them. I love it all, but I think the absolute cutest is when we have the little ones and their backpacks are bigger than they are, and you just see the bottom of their little feet peeking out. And then also, second favorite, I'm a huge reader, so I love helping the kids find their perfect book.
These children are the future of Los Angeles. They are the future of the world. If we don't give them resources, if we don't give them opportunities, this is a very sad world we're creating. So it really just takes someone caring about a child and really seeing the impact in their life, and it spreads throughout their family and their community as well.